हे गाइस, वेलकम टू क्रिएटर सब। सो आज हम आपके एक नई तरह की वीडियो लाए हैं। सो इस वीडियो में हम बताएंगे कि हाउ टू फ्लैश चाइना बीटा रोम। ओके, हाउ टू फ्लैश चाइना बीटा रोम दिस फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम आफ्टर Xiaomi changed its rule that they are not giving any flashable zip, but I have a zip. So I will tell you how to flash it using the Mi Flash tool and how to unlock the bootloader also. So this video will be little long, so we'll start. So this is my Mi 11 Ultra. Okay, so what I will do. Okay, so in the last video also I have to do the continuation that I applied an ultra UV glass. So on my Mi 11 Ultra, and see I applied a cover, and cover is above the glass and there are no bubbles. So the glass is very good. From 1 minute, this glass is from 1 minute, so real nice. So my device is off. I will show you the pressing the button. So it's off. So I will go to the fast boot mode by pressing the volume down and power button together. Okay, so it will go to the fast boot mode on, you can see. And now we'll connect the cable. So let's connect it. Okay, connected. So now what we'll do, that we'll open the device manager. I have opened it first. Okay, so in the USB you will see here something as Android device. See at the top. So at the top here is an Android device ADB testing interface. So if this doesn't show, it will show an unrecognized device in here. So what we'll do, if it shows unrecognized, I will give you a link in the description. So you will go here, this website flashxiaomi.com. I use this, you can use any other website. So what we'll do here, that you will copy this link for Xiaomi Qualcomm driver, this for flashing, and the ADB driver. So this is for ADB. So what you have to do is copy this link from here, okay, and till here inside the inverted. Okay, and then you copy it here, and then you go to a link, and it will open a media file link, and there will be a file. So I have downloaded the file, and similar you will do with the Qualcomm link. And as you finish these two, you have to install, and all the steps are mentioned here how to install it. So no need to show in the video, it's very easy, they have shown everything. Okay, so after installing, the device will be shown here as an ADB device, here, sorry, Android testing device. So after that, what you have to do, you have to go to the Mi Unlock device website. You have to download the tool. So download the Mi Unlock tool from here. I will also give this link. And what you will do as you download it, so after downloading, the interface for the unlock tool is this. So it shows my device is star, product code is star, and the serial number, and it's logged. Okay, so I will press here, and I have signed into my account. So I will press here unlock, and showing unlocking. So first, when you will unlock it, it will show 168 hours to unlock it. So see, my device is being unlocked. See, now it didn't ask any time, because I completed time of 168 hours, that is a week, 7 days. And see, it's unlocking. So it will erase all your data. So be caution, please back up your data before. And see, the device is being unlocked and everything is being done. It has been rebooted 2 to 3 times. So okay, so let's move further. So let's wait for it to be unlocked. So the bottom line is going. So after unlocking, I will tell you the further steps. So let it the process go, and we will move further. So we'll go to this website, Xiaomi Flash tool, and we'll click on the latest flash tool, this one, and we'll download it. So you can download from Mediafire, Google Drive, or pCloud. So Mediafire I prefer, the speed is good. And downloading it, the interface will come like this. You just need to download, unzip the file, and copy the file to a desktop. So see, I have done it. Wait, I will show you. Close it all. So here is my Mi Flash tool, and here is my Mi Unlock tool. So I have copied both the files here, you can see. And what I will do is that I have just opened unlock tool here like this, and went to the batch unlock option, and that will open. Okay, And the same in this one. Open Mi Flash tool, open this. These are all unzipped. Okay, you need to unzip once, but once you do, sorry, I think I double click. So Mi Flash tool, then this one, then go down and Xiaomi Mi Flash and open as an administrator. Right click, open as an administrator. Sorry, yeah, run as administrator. Okay, here. So the Mi Flash tool and the both will open. So still the device is being unlocked, and we will be back as it gets unlocked. So guys, as the unlock will be finished, your device will be formatted and it will ask like this. So what you have to do, you have to click on the Wi-Fi button and connect to Wi-Fi. So I cannot show it now, but I will tell you. Wait, let me tap on the I will tap on the Wi-Fi and connect to my Wi-Fi. Then I will go to this one, the first option. Okay, so I will be back in a second. So my Wi-Fi is connected. Now I will go to the first option and it will ask the password of your Mi account that you have entered. When you enter it, your device will be unlocked and you can do whatever you want. So first I will enter the password and then I will continue. So guys, this is the device after the unlock, and as you can see, all the data has been formatted, and means there is nothing. I will show. Let me go to the setting. I will show. See, all the data has been formatted. It's the stock device, and let the unlock status. So we'll go here and we'll go developer options and we'll say unlocked. See, the status is unlocked. Mi unlock tool is unlocked. So now we will be just turning on USB debugging. No need for USB debugging. I think it will detect directly on the Mi Flash tool. So okay, we'll go directly to the, we'll shut the device down. Okay. We'll power it off, and as it powers off, now we'll press the volume down and power key together. Okay, we are now in fast boot mode again. So let's try the Mi Flash unlock tool. So we'll go to the Mi unlock tool. Here it is. We'll select the files. So on the desktop, Mi Flash tools, then the star. See, this is beta ROM, right? 21.8.26. So I have this one. So I will select this one. Okay. Refresh. Let's see, it can detect my device. Okay, detected. Here is my device, and let's flash. Okay guys, so this tool works on AMD now. My system is a Ryzen 7 system. Before, the tool didn't work on AMD and it showed error, but now it works. So congrats for everyone that our request reached Xiaomi, and let this operation be finished and then I will be back. Okay. Hi guys, so the flash has been done just now, and as you can see, the device is rebooting. And I will, as it reboots, I will set it up. The setting process will be the same as we did it with when the device was unlocked from the bootloader was unlocked. So you have to first connect to Wi-Fi, and then you have to unlock your Mi account, and then you have to set up the device, and then I will show you the version number. So let it boot and then I will show you. So let's wait for it to boot. So guys, as I said, जैसे मैंने कहा था, देखिए अभी फ़ोन जो है रिबूट हो चुका है, एंड इसमें वही दो ऑप्शन आया, वाईफाई एंड देन दिस इज अकाउंट अनलॉक. So first you have to connect to Wi-Fi. I connected to Wi-Fi. Now I will go here and I will enter the password and I will unlock my account, and then I will show you that what's the new ROM and how, if it is on beta or not. Okay. So guys, setup process के दौरान एक नई चीज़ आई थी. Let me show you. Okay. So let me show you. So skip this step. Okay. You see this? I don't know if you can hear. Okay. So it's showing that it's 2K display mate A plus HDR 1010-bit at 120 Hz and 1500 nits. Why it's showing 1500 nits, I don't know. It's showing 1500 nits, I don't know why. The display is 1700 nits. Okay, so let's go forward, and okay, it's done. ready to rock. So let's first go through the settings and then I will show you. Okay, you can see the device version is 21.8.26. it's MIUI beta. So we have done it. So guys, how was the video? You just tell us that what did you like and what did you didn't like, and if you want some improvements and if you want this link, beta link, so please comment and I will share this link in the next video. And please like, subscribe, and if you really want this link, please comment. I will surely share, and please subscribe. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Peace out.